Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me Nahil AI Wali and I am 16 years old living in Faisalabad, Pakistan. Student at House School Online Academy, also second batch foundation level in evening shift. So I hope you are all doing well. Today I watched a very amazing tech talk. The speaker name was Ashar Hassan and his topic is a message of peace from Pakistan. So, Ashar Hassan is a well known social worker, social entrepreneur, and ambassador of peace from Pakistan. He has dedicated his life to serving humanity. He works not only in Pakistan but also around the world to solve problems like poverty, lack of education, and poor healthcare. Ashar Hassan is a founder of revolutionary project like Doctors and Naya Jigans, which gives poor and underprivileged people access to good healthcare, jobs, and better life. He travels to different parts of the world to see the lives, struggles, and dreams of ordinary people. Then he shares their stories with the world so people can learn from each other and offer help. He believes that humanity is bigger than religion, nationality, or skin color. If we all help each other, then we can solve big problems like poverty and injustice. In his talk, Ashar Hassan described life in the mountains area of Pakistan where people have very few resources but still a big dream. He gives the example of man who sold bags to earn a living. This man was an ordinary worker but had a big dream of becoming rich. Even though he was poor and had limited opportunities, he worked hard to improve his life. According to Ashar Hassan, this courage and determination are the real wealth that keeps people moving forward even in hard times. He also tells the story of another man who sold bangles. This man did not have much to give, but he had a strong desire to help others. Even with his small income, he tried to make other people happy. Ashar Hassan explained that helping others is not always about money. Sometimes kindness and a good heart are enough. If you have the will to help, even a small act can bring light to someone's life. Ashar Hassan talked about a man uh, who sold colors. One on the surface he has just selling paint, but his goal was bigger. He wanted to fill people's home with colors and bring them happiness. This shows that sometimes small jobs can big dreams behind them. Ashar Hassan message here is that your intention and purpose are more important than the amount of resources you have. So he explained that in this region, about 650 million people's life below the poverty line. Most of them are from Pakistan, India, Sri Lanka, and Bangladesh and Nepal. These people works hard, have dreams, and want a better life, but because of lack of resources and opportunities, they cannot fully use their talent. This fact reminds us that poverty is a huge problem that needs everyone attention. He points out that India and Pakistan have almost same problems, especially poverty and social backwardness. Even through both nations are connected in many ways, they are not working together to solve these issues. Still, there are some individuals who try their best to help others and improve their lives. Ashar Azhar says that if these few people join together and work on a larger scale, change will not be impossible. So Ashar Hassan main message is that poverty is a problem bigger than countries and borders. It is not the problem of one nation. It is a problem of all world. It is a challenge for all humanity to end poverty. We all need to work together, no matter of what country or religion we belong to. He says that dreaming is the right of everyone, and a lack of resources cannot kill a dream. If you have courage, hard work, and kindness for others, true happiness comes not just from living for yourself but from making other people lives better. This talk makes it clear that millions of people in the world live in poverty, but they still dream and try to achieve something. We should also develop the spirit of humanity in our hearts and stand with them. So, because even a small step can bring big changes. I learned that difficult situation and lack of resources cannot kill a person's courage. If we work hard and have a good heart and a care of others, we can not only change our own life, but also become a source of hope for others. So I hope you like my TEDx review. So until the next TEDx review, I love you everyone.